I glued up this tabletop about 1.5 years ago just with some 2x4s, and I put some oak splines down the middle for support. Figured it was time to finish it up. A little hand planing here. And of course, got to do a lot of sanding, get all the imperfections out. And more sanding. Once all the surfaces were smooth, I cut the top to length. And of course, more sanding. I finally decided on the plan for the legs. I was going to do a crisscross pattern, and I was going to mortise and tenon them into the bottom of the tabletop. Here I am cutting the tenons. Here's my first mortise, ready to receive the leg. After getting that first leg in, I just didn't like the look of it. I thought the angle was going to be a little off. So back to the drawing board. After about 4 different ideas of how I wanted to proceed with the legs, I finally came up with something, so I started cutting some more lumber. I'm just cutting these pieces to a rough length. As you may or may not know, lumber from the big box stores, 2x4s, have some rounded edges, so here I decided to just square everything up. You have to know your comfort level when working with power tools. I feel very comfortable with having my hand this close to the blade, but if you're using power tools and you don't feel comfortable, then don't do it. Just using glue and screws to assemble these legs. Rinse and repeat for the other leg. So this is what the table looks like in its natural state. I haven't done anything to the wood, any coloring, or anything of that nature yet. I decided to use a technique called shosugiban. It's used to waterproof wood, generally with exterior siding. However, it gives a nice effect to furniture pieces. Just a little sanding and some finish needed.